double stealth. I'm advising. Got the rogue out. It's a rogue druid. No.
They're in our guild.
Oh,
Or the rogue
it's
is anyway.
Boomkin. It's Boomkin. Just, yeah, I would go LOS if I were you. Or,
Should I check this?
No, no. CS. Impact stun. Blinking out of it. I'm fine, dude. I didn't take any damage at all.
Alright.
I deeped his dance. I'm probably gonna... No, I'm just gonna... Oh, wow. He's...
Fear Boomer. Oh, damn.
Yeah. Rogue's hit really hard right now.
I'm kicked.
Whoa.
Gosh.
I'm not even in that, dude. Impact stun druid. That's a second bomb. I'm just wasting all the cooldowns, dude. Like, not even bothering. Watch your positioning. Can you fear?
Yeah. Got both.
Okay, good. There it is.
Fearing rogue.
There, he's dead.
Huh? That's weird. Oh, because I didn't hit the fear button. Yeah, that'll do it.
Way to go.
Hey.
I'm sure YouTube will like that.
Oh. Just kidding. That was a joke. Haha. Same team.
Same team. You're gonna die.
Just go
here
down.
it comes. Here, no, go across the bridge.
Going across the bridge. Red's on me. Diggy's coming around. Stuck in the middle.
Come back. Jump down.
Oh, too late. Fearing him. I missed.
Huge shatters. He's gonna bubble in a sec. He bubbled. He jumped. No worries.
Oh, Wing's dead.
Oh, that was bad. Oops. Okay. So here's the idea. He's dead.
Oh, bam, dead bam. Pally's got sack up, not that it matters. He's on you in 3, 2, 1.
I'm fine. I'll win this. Most likely anyways. I don't know.
Well, he doesn't have wings, I don't really see how he could kill you. He's killing your pets are dead. Oh my gosh. Oh, game over.
Killing noobs. Not really. These guys aren't noobs. They're cool. You know, sound effects.
You gotta have the sound effects.
Make sound effects for me, Matt.
Death Star laser beam. Ding.
That's sure I understood that last one there.
That's the blink sound.
The blink sound?
Yeah, you blinked. So I made a blink sound. That's the free sound.
Dead.
That's the dead sound.